Oh, hi everyone. I want to do an unboxing of the fountain assortment here. I pretty much the fountains and stuff like that in this assortment. The name of this assortment is called Diamond Series Fountain Assortment. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pop the bottom here. So I'm going to put my phone down, so give me just a sec. I'm going to take Give me a second to open this up here. I want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. So, I hope you all doing off fireworks very safely. So, alright. Top and bottom here. We got the Sea Adventure fountain here. We got the series of USA fountains here, right? You get 4 in a pack right here. 4 pieces here. Golden Knight boss fountain right here. Take this off a little bit. Dino World fountain here. Dino World fountain here. Got a wonderful fountain here too. This is a fountain assortment. Absolute gorgeous. That big fountain here. Silver Demon. Wow, so this is the fountain here. Boss fountain here. Here's a big fountain here. Nice fruity. Fruity, that's what it is. Like a fruit fountain here. Got a crazy bowl fountain right here. And got this big one. Thunder and Lightning. The biggest fountain of all. Here. Or a big fountain. Anyway, these are all the fountains that we got. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, Happy 4th.